So we are in Mullae, which is one of my favorite like up and coming areas in Seoul that not a lot of people know. Like I keep bringing people here and they're like, oh my god, I had no idea this existed. So you'll be seeing a lot of like juxtaposition things like trendy cafes, and then you'll see just like people working on cars. But the thing that I really love about this area is the fact that there's so much art around this area.
The thing I love most about Mullae is the fact that one second you're walking down a street where there's car repair shops and it's just looking like you've traveled back in time into 1960s Korea, and then the next second you're walking down a street where there's an art exhibition that you get to go in for free, by the way. And I love what this artist did with the spirals and it creating like this whole other picture. I don't know, I'm not really an artsy person, but even I can appreciate the beauty of this artist's paintings. And then next I found this tucked away little knickknacks shop that's just unmanned, so you don't have like a worker there. It's self-checkout, so I, who sometimes get a little social anxiety-esque, really appreciate something like that. I can just walk around in peace and just be in my own head and walk back out when I'm done.
As you can see, we are approaching golden hour. That's why my skin is shining. So there's this cafe that has this cute, like nice rooftop. So I think we're gonna go there and watch the sunset.
Another thing I love about Mullae is the fact that there's always little shops popping up, and as you can see, I got a little accidentally lost and wandered into this handmade soap and fragrance shop. I actually ended up buying something here for my mum, and I definitely recommend coming here and just stumbling upon all the gems that Mullae has.
I catch the sunset before it goes down, and obviously the sunset waits for no one, so I'm like rushing through all these like places that I want to show you, but we'll circle back. BetterHelp is today's paid advert. Quick little scheduled interruption. I just want to say thank you to BetterHelp. I'm someone who doesn't really like to burden my friends and my family with all of my worries. So this is where BetterHelp comes in clutch, because I get to talk to a credentialed therapist about my issues that gets matched to me. They are trained to listen to me and just give me unbiased help and advice. And I know more than anyone that starting therapy can be really challenging and difficult, which is why I love BetterHelp, because they match you to a therapist that matches what you are looking for. And if you are not meshing and you're not vibing, then you get to change to another one. And I think the whole online aspect of it as well is really great, because I don't know, you might need a therapist that is not in your area, and what are you supposed to do, travel every day or like how many days a week to go see the person who's meant to help you? Like, no. So that's why you can still have the face-to-face aspect, but all online. They also let you do voice calling and even messaging therapy sessions. So there's something there for everyone. So basically how it works is you do a questionnaire, and then within around 48 hours in most cases, you get matched to the therapist. And then after that, you're able to schedule therapy sessions at your own convenience. It's just like people spend hours at the gym to work out their body. Why are we not doing the same thing with our mind, you know? And I feel like that's also why over 4 million people use BetterHelp as a service. And it has personally helped me a lot, and I hope it can help someone out there as well. And by the way, I have a link for you guys to use down below. Clicking the link helps me out and it helps you out, because you're getting great therapy. And through my link, you get 10% off your first month of therapy.
Okay, this tent was not here when I last came here, which was during the summer. That's such a good idea. The tent is blocking the sunset, so you'll just get non-sunset views. So I decided to stay for a silly little treat, and I was not disappointed. They have such a array of cakes and treats, I don't know. And you can see from the decoration that it has like a rustic vibe, and that's definitely reminiscent of its history, because this place used to be a car repair shop as well, but a lot of places actually got sold to cafe owners, which is why you will see a lot of cafes with the same kind of vibe, like the industrial vibe. Next, I stumbled upon this art exhibition, and like I said, you just find these places. This was not here last week when I was here, and I definitely wanted to check it out. I'm not, like I said, a artsy person, but again, like, I can appreciate, like, this looks cool, this is artsy. I could never do this. So if you love this type of like pop-up art exhibition stuff, Mullae is your go-to place. Okay, I am hungry, so we're gonna find something to eat. But there's so many choices. Okay, food has been consumed. Power sources have been restarted. Ooh, let's go down here. They say never go down little alleys, but this one's really cute. When I tell you Mullae has the best restaurants, I'm not joking. My favorite restaurant of all time is actually a Mexican place here, and they do like authentic, in my opinion, authentic birria tacos. This is a snippet of when I went here with my friend like the other week, and oh my god, they were so good. Now that it's officially starting to get darker, we're gonna go to one last stop, which is a cafe that looks like a factory, and oh my god, I see it. And I thought it would look so pretty once it's illuminated, and it does. So this cafe prides itself in its different roasts of coffee, and if anyone ever tells you that I am a coffee snob, they're a liar. To me, coffee is coffee. They gave me this thing. I got the tangerine apple juice something blend. I like, watch me try and taste the apple and whatever's in there. I do not taste it. Anyway, look how pretty it is at night. And that was my day.